Hello everyone, this is question number 39 in which two statement has been given, statement 1 and statement 2. We need to find out whether these statements are true or not. Statement 1 is true or 2 is false or vice versa. Statement 1 says dose response assessment is the process of determining whether or not particular chemical is causally linked to particular health effect. This question is memory based. We need to understand what is the meaning of dose response assessment. So by the definition of dose response assessment, it is establish the relationships between the exposure and the adverse health outcome under study, and hazard characterization is one of the major process in which dose response assessment is the subpart. They are used to link a database of adverse effects to target humans population that are exposed and at risk and for which an HBGV should be established. So basically what dose response assessment is all about, checking the effects on the human population which are basically exposed or at the risk. But what does this statement 1 says? That is, it is a process of determining whether or not particular chemical is causally linked. They are talking about the linking, but they are talking about the after effects. So statement 1 is false. So in which option statement 1 says correct would be eliminate directly. So option number 1 and option number 3 we can directly eliminate. Let's read the second statement. Statement 2 says hazard identification is the process of characterizing the relationship between the dose of an toxic agent received and incidence of an adverse health effect. Let's read the definition. What exactly hazard identification? It is the process of finding and recording possible hazards that are or may be in the workplace or in the food. So hazard identification is a different process, but statement 2 says the different thing, in which they are finding the relationship between the dose of a toxic agent. But in the definition of the hazard identification, which says that it is a part of larger process of risk assessment, which I already told you, the dose response assessment is a sub part of the hazard characterization, which involves the collecting, reviewing the information and conducting the inspection. Statement 2 is also false. So the option contain both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. So option number 2 would be the correct option for this question.